Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-Series. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's cab and lift it to create working clearance. Support the transmission. Uninstall the transmission mount from the crossmember. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, or clips from the work area. Step 3. Unbolt the factory transmission crossmember. If the bolts are rusted or rounded, cut them. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. Inspect the frame rails where the transmission crossmember mounts. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the mounting area to bare metal and apply weld-through primer, then install a frame repair kit. Step 4. Paint the new transmission crossmember prior to installation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Allow it to dry before moving forward. Step 5. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer if needed. Align the replacement transmission crossmember using the bolt holes. Step 6. Install the crossmember using the included hardware. Use the M12 hardware to mount the crossmember to the frame rails. Use the M10 hardware to attach the support bracket to the crossmember. The M12 bolts use a 16mm socket. The M12 lock nuts use an 18mm wrench. The M10 bolts and M10 lock nuts use a 15mm socket and wrench. Step 7. If any additional components were removed to install a frame repair kit, reinstall them now. Finally, reinstall the fuel lines and any removed brackets. Reinstall the transmission, then lower and reinstall the cab.